Alright guys, so today on Spiffy Off-Road, we're going to be doing a Serpentine belt on a 2007 Subaru WRX. What you're going to start with is you're going to have your 10mm and your 12mm sockets, and that's all you'll need. Now this is an easy 10-minute job. The second time you do it, it'll probably take you 5 minutes. I truly spent about 10 minutes doing this for my first time, and I was confident enough, I'm like ready to make a YouTube video. So what you're going to need is, you probably want a deeper socket. A shorter one might work, but you're going to need to get in. I'll show you exactly how far in. You have to get your socket and nut off right there. So I'm sure you'll be fine with anything. That's the size of my finger. And then your other 10mm right here. And then you're gonna pop this. Feel free to tug on it pretty good. It pops right out of that hole. And then once that's out, you're gonna have your 12mm socket. Deep socket's good. Deep socket's probably better, or an extension for this part. And then you're gonna take this one off, which is the axis of the alternator that's gonna move. And then right here we'll free it up so you can actually move it on this axis. And the way you move it on this axis is this one right here. Now this is, you can see what actually is slides up and down right here. And the alternator is going to actually physically move. So then you're going to take your old junkie belt, get rid of that. And then I already threw mine on. You just line the threads up. You can see one side's threaded, one side's not. Or not threaded, but you know exactly what I mean. Line it up on the water pump, then line it up down there and make sure it's all lined up. Now the new one's gonna be a lot harder to put on than the one you took off, so you're gonna need to loosen this a lot. And then once it's on, once it's on just like this, you just tighten this bolt first until it's very tight. Tight as this one right here. Very tight. And then right here you're gonna, so basically this moves it up the axis, as you can see again. This moves it up the axis. This locks it in place. And then this one also locks it in place so it can't move on the axis. So basically you have 3 12mm bolts and 2 10mm bolts, and once those are easily found and used, you just put it back on and reverse exactly what you just did, and make sure the belt's this tight. Make sure every thread and groove is on each groove, and that's about everything, guys. I mean, this took a few minutes. I'm sure next time I do it's going to take less than 5 minutes. It's very easy. And if you ever want to replace this one, this just comes right off just the same way you did it, and that's why I'm not too worried about that. And I do have a new one for this, but I'm just going to leave this one on. And it's very quick, very easy. I'd be done 2.5 minutes ago if I was going to make the video. So alright guys, please like, subscribe, check out my other off-roading videos. Usually I have off-roading videos. Subaru WRX counts for off-roading. We got some World Rallycross. And then, yeah, check out my channel, like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.